What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome back to another video. We're gonna start on dollar daily as per usual, and yeah, as you can see, not much has gone on today. Classic price action for on Monday. Traded lower, took out Thursday's low, and then we retraced higher throughout the day, looking like we're gonna close on a high, which is quite interesting. My bias still remains the same, so if you haven't watched yesterday's video, go and watch that because I'm not going to repeat myself. But I do still want to see if price can reach down into this weekly inversion fair value gap before pushing higher. Now, on the 4 hour, you'll see that, we've had quite an aggressive push higher here, but I am looking to see if price does, continue to show willingness to go down. We do actually have a breaker here, high, low, higher, high, and then you can see our price closed lower here. So from this level and below, I'll show you more specifically. This candle specifically, I'm looking at how we treat this level now. Price may trade through it, but preferably I'd like to think that it won't, just so that I can see the low of the week get created. Because remember, in yesterday's video I was stating how I want to see the low of the week get created. Furthermore, we also have these relative equal lows, this low and this low. We now have relative equal lows residing below there, which creates sell side liquidity. So there is still a want for me to see price move lower, but you can see since this 4 hour large expansion to the upside, it is kind of driving me a bit crazy. But yeah, we've just got to wait and see how we treat this breaker block. Now I'm going to explain again why this is a breaker. It's because we have a swing high, a swing low, a higher high, and then price closed lower. And since then, price has failed to take out this high. So as soon as we closed lower here, we have a shift in the state of delivery, as in price should be hunting for sell stops. There's a little imbalance here. There's this large volume imbalance here at the 4 hour breaker, and this is where I'm anticipating price to want to fall to, and preferably that will happen tomorrow, as it's typical for price to create the low on a Tuesday. But yeah, we just have to see how it treats that level I just marked out. Let's make it another color though. Let's make it blue. I don't like my charts to be too messy. But yeah, I'm just seeing how we treat this level. Obviously, it's only 6 p.m. there, so the Asian session hasn't quite started. But in the new day, I'd like to think that we can come and grab that sell side liquidity before moving higher for the rest of the week. So yeah, we're going to probably get through these pairs pretty quickly because, again, nothing's changed. GBP, same as yesterday's video. I'll make sure to link it in this video. But again, we traded up to the midpoint of that daily breaker. Lovely to see. I'm allowing price to trade up into it again. That's fine, because I was anticipating the high of the week to get made here. But overall, I want to see a push lower, running for the sell stops here and into this range over here. If we drop down to the 4 hour, we'll also find the bullish order block that I have delineated here that I'd like to see price eventually reach. But yeah, like I said, it'll be nice to see if we can get one more push into this breaker before seeing a turnaround. I have marked this level out because there was actually a comment from one of you guys saying to set a limit order there. Now I haven't actually set a limit order there. However, I've just set this level out because I'd like to see if the person who commented knows what he's talking about, because I'm curious as to why he brought my attention. But if you brought my attention to that level, if you go to my yesterday's video, you'll see it in the comments. But yeah, I'm just going to see how price acts around there. But overall, this daily breaker I want to see continue to act as resistance and look for a break lower. Finally, Euro, sorry. Let's get rid of a few lines here. Start on the daily. Again, price can trade up to here. It doesn't have to. What day was it? Monday. We took out Thursday's high. So price, again, may want to trade back into this range. It is unlikely that price is going to take out Monday's high. Like, it doesn't seem very probable, but I don't want to take it out of possibility. Like, it is completely possible still. What you'll also notice is that we've traded to the 50% level off this fair value gap, which is classic price action for bearishness. So we'll have to see how we trade within this range. There is a rejection block level here, so price may want to tap into that. Just here, that's a rejection block level, and yeah, we're just gonna have to see in the new day. But pretty consolidated, and like I said, I'm waiting for that expansion in the week so that we can start looking for shorts, etc., or longs, depending on the direction. But my bias is short on pairs. So that's going to be everything, guys. This has been a very quick video. Thanks for watching, and make sure you watch yesterday's video. And yeah, if you're wearing socks right now, make sure to smash subscribe. And if you're not wearing socks right now, make sure to smash that like button. Peace.